And a big story that we're tracking this morning is on the Karnataka government, which is set to take a call on reimposing curbs amid a rise in COVID cases in Bengaluru. The state cabinet will be meeting today in about 2 hours from now, that's at 11 a.m, to discuss the COVID-19 situation. The meeting comes in the wake of demands to bring back to reimpose a lockdown in Bengaluru after many cases of COVID-19 were reported in the last 24 hours. The final decision on the lockdown will be taken by the government's coronavirus task force. The cabinet meeting comes after Karnataka recorded 397 new cases and 14 deaths on Wednesday. The total number of cases in the state has crossed the 9,700 mark. In the last 24 hours, Bengaluru has recorded 173 COVID cases. The city now has over 1,100 active cases. Nolan Pinto is joining us live from Bengaluru with more details on this. Nolan, good morning. There is going to be a very crucial decision that's taken today by the Karnataka government. Any statement really that's come in from the government so far on whether they are inclined towards reimposing a lockdown in Bengaluru?
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, a large number of MLAs and ministers have been actually talking about this. But the Chief Minister has very clearly stated that only after the cabinet meeting will a proper decision be taken. In fact, yesterday the Home Minister also said that, yes, they are thinking about it, but Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa will take the final call. Because as of now, leaving other districts, Bengaluru itself, we have crossed about 1,100 odd COVID cases, active COVID cases in the city. And there are some more, about 520 odd containment zones here. So this is one of the reasons why parents, especially in Bengaluru, were scared to send their kids to write the SSLC exams. Today is the first day, in fact, Akshita. You have some 2,800 odd examination centers spread across the state. Some 8,48,000 students are expected to write. Now, when we spoke to some of the parents and students yesterday, they were very apprehensive. In fact, they were stating that with cases surging, not just in Bengaluru, but in other districts, it is not safe as of now for them to actually come out. But the government made it very clear that all safety measures and precautions have been taken. In fact, all the students who come over here must wear masks. Now, their hands will be sanitized, and only around 18 to 20 students will be allowed to sit in a class in order to maintain social distancing. But yes, parents are scared. The government says this is a very important exam. They must come and write it. But the lockdown decision, Akshita, will be taken after the cabinet meeting. Many ministers are asking for it. Many people in the city, especially in Bengaluru, are saying that I think the government needs to do something in order to control the surge. So we just have to wait for that all-important cabinet meeting to take place.
Bengaluru has been doing so well in the fight against coronavirus, especially when you compare it to other metro cities. Bengaluru has fared very, very well. And for that to continue, many experts have opined that perhaps it's time to reimpose a lockdown so that the situation doesn't go out of control. Nolan, thank you for joining us with those details. Nolan was also telling you about how exam centers across Karnataka are now ready for the Class 10 board exams, which will be starting today at 10:30 this morning. Students gathered outside exam halls wearing masks with strict implementation of social distancing norms. They queued up to also get their temperatures checked before entering the exam hall. The exams will start at 10:30. Over 8 lakh students across the state will be appearing for their Class 10 exams months after it was delayed due to the pandemic. Over 5,700 health screening counters have been placed outside these examination halls, and each room will not have more than 20 students. This decision to hold examinations has been criticized by the opposition, by both JDS and the Congress. The BSY government, however, has assured that all safety precautions have been taken so far.
More than 8 lakh students are appearing for SSLC or Class 10 board exams today in Karnataka. The examination was to take place on March 27th, but was put on hold due to lockdown. The government's decision to hold board exams has met with opposition. Former Karnataka CM H.D. Kumaraswamy and the Congress have called for postponement of examinations.
It's too late to take a decision. Already they have decided that exams should be conducted. They have made all the preparations. Correct. If suppose they should give an option to the students, at least now, those who do not want to attend the exams due to COVID or due to whatever reasons, they should be given one more chance to appear for the exam.
The state government, however, is in no mood to budge.
Why is that we are trying to keep away the children from the exams, and I don't think it is a right decision of not conducting an exam.
The Yediyurappa government claims all precautions have been taken for the safe conduct of examinations.
The government is responsible for the safety for each and every child in this state. So we will take all necessary care and all necessary steps.
White marks that has been put in for parents or students to stand before the gates open. The exam starts around 10:30, but students can enter starting from 7:30. And the next thing is the sanitizer. Every student who enters the center will have to use the sanitizer and then enter. And next is the thermal scanner. Every student will be checked for temperature, and the next stall or the table that has been put in here, mask. Every student has to wear compulsory mask, and if they forget, the center themselves will provide a durable mask or a washable mask.
Parents and students are worried though.
Children should not waste 1 year, and instead of doing that, follow for 4 subjects Chennai rule, and 2 subjects you can have, because many students are intelligent. So make maths and science as a compulsory, keep them the 2 subjects as a compulsory after 1 week or 2 weeks, but not now.
For one exam we are risking our life and going and writing the exam. They say that there are supplementary exams and all. Yeah, we also say that they should keep the exams, but after a month or 1.5 months.
Among the southern states, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry have cancelled board exams. Karnataka, however, would be encouraged from Kerala's experience, where board exams were held with social distancing and nobody got infected. With Nolan Pinto and Nagarjun Dwarkanath, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.